this video, you will learn how to access the Land Use Planner and how to create a free user account. To access the tool, go to our website, landuseplanner.org. From there, you can access the planner by clicking the Start button. You may also navigate to this page directly by typing tool.landuseplanner.org into the address bar. From this page, you can select the language that you'd like to access the Land Use Planner in. You can access it in English, Spanish, French, or Vietnamese. If you'll be working with the Land Use Planner regularly, we recommend that you create a free account, which can be done by clicking Sign Up. A new Land Use Planner account allows you to store your land use data and projects, and it allows you to customize the tool's interface to your context. With a user account, you can also invite others to join your specific Land Use Planner workspace, so you can share data and collaborate on the same projects. To sign up, you'll be asked to provide some minimal information about yourself. You should also provide information for the creation of your Land Use Planner workspace, which will house your Land Use Planner projects. You should give your workspace a short, descriptive name, and you may also add a short description of your workspace to clarify the purpose and context of your use of the Land Use Planner. Once you're done filling out this information, click Sign Up. You will then receive an email from the Land Use Planner team. This email will include your username, which is the email address that you use to sign up, a temporary password, and a link to log in and set your permanent password. If you don't receive your email confirmation, please check your spam folder. Normally, new requests are processed within 1 working day. Note that a given email address can only be used with one Land Use Planner workspace. So if you wish to participate or even create different workspaces, maybe because you want to use the tool in very different contexts or with different teams, you will have to use separate email addresses for each account. To begin working with the Land Use Planner, you can log in by navigating to our page tool.landuseplanner.org and clicking Log In. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and the password that you created. You can also access the Land Use Planner with a guest pass by clicking Guest. Here you can explore the tool, start a new planner project, or view a project that's been sent to you. However, it's important to note that as a guest, your work will not be saved on the cloud for future sessions or for your collaborators. You are nonetheless able to save your work as a guest by exporting the project file, which can be done by clicking Export. This will then save your progress as a .loop file that can be accessed here at a later date by importing it into the Land Use Planner. The guest option is particularly useful for external partners and for when you want to share your work with them. With a .loop file, they are able to view your land use project. With the guest pass, they can utilize the tool, they can make changes and assess new scenarios. And any changes that they make will not affect your workspace and the project that you've created. You also have the option to access the Land Use Planner through our desktop interface, which can be downloaded here. The desktop version allows you to work with the tool offline and comes in handy when you're in places without internet or with low bandwidth. As a reminder, you can create a free Land Use Planner account and log into your workspace by going to tool.landuseplanner.org.